Most people start their mornings with coffee or sugary juice. What seems harmless can actually age your body over time. The problem isn't caffeine or juice alone. It's how your body reacts. First thing in the morning, your cells are primed for repair and metabolism. Sugar and caffeine spike stress signals and oxidative stress, quietly speeding up aging. Instead, start your day with these BioAge ingredients. Include green tea, lemon, fresh ginger, cucumber, or mint. This simple drink supports longevity. Green tea polyphenols protect cells from oxidative stress. Lemon and ginger help your metabolism and reduce inflammation. And cucumber keeps you hydrated and adds gentle antioxidants. I cover it and blend gently. Drink it slowly, don't rush. Take a few minutes to sip, breathe, and let your body absorb the nutrients. Think of it as telling your body, I'm supporting repair, metabolism, and long-term health. Small, repeatable actions like this accumulate into slower aging over time. Tomorrow, I will reveal a midday habit that gives your body a natural repair break, essential for longevity. Subscribe.